Hello and welcome. My name is Joe Davis. I'm the developer of ClientWise. In this video, I'm going to give you a basic overview of the database and how it all hangs together, the various screen elements and so forth that are incorporated into the system itself. By way of introduction, ClientWise is a database program that's been developed using Microsoft test and tried technology, namely Microsoft Access, which has been around for many years and has stood the test of time. And it's actually the most popular database system in the world. Um, right, having said that, when you actually install ClientWise, so you can download the program from the bookitbetter.com website and then run the installation, you will then end up with an icon on the desktop, which is what we're looking at now, the ClientWise database. To actually start the program, you simply place the pointer over that icon and double click it, and that then starts the program, and there we have it. So this is what it opens up to. This is the ClientWise the client window. This acts as the hub of the whole system, and you always come back to this window if you've gone elsewhere. So I'm just going to quickly go around the various screen elements so you've got an understanding of what each screen element does. Okay, let's start right at the very top. This is called the toolbar. You've got a close button, which obviously closes the program. Then you've got a new client, so when you want to enter a new client onto the system, you'd click that button there. If you want to edit an existing client, then you would select the client first and then click on the edit button, and then you can change their details. The save, cancel and delete buttons are grayed out because we're currently not in edit mode. It's only when you're in edit mode or if you're in new client mode that those buttons then become available. So there's everything that you do in the system is quite purposeful, so there's no room for any errors. Then you've got a staff rotor, so when you click that button, a staff rotor pops up. Rather than sort of like dipping in and out of all these things right now, I'll just give you a quick overview, and then in the following videos I'll sort of delve in a bit deeper and then show you how each of those things works. Then you've got reports. If you click that, you've got like summary reports and balance of points, which again will be explained later. You've got docs. Docs is quite interesting. Basically, you can save any Word document or any digital media against your client records, so that can be stored on the system itself. So it's easily retrievable once you've actually found your the client that you're looking for. Emails and alerts. Well, you can basically very useful this element. It's for sending out emails to your clients, but you can also send out text alerts. So using SMS messaging, you can actually send out alerts and quite easily as well, either to single individuals, alerting them about forthcoming appointments, or you can do like a mass alert. Maybe as a special offer that you've got on, you want to make all your customers aware of that, then you can just send out 100 or so text messages in one go. Then you've got the admin button, which shows the lookup list. So those are the things that basically you don't need to change those very often, but every now and again you may want to add a new staff member to the system, in which case then you would click on lookup lists, and then you would see your staff member list, and you can add that person to that list there. So these are all the lists that appear in your drop down boxes when you actually start working with the program. Then you've got auto backup. Again, the program has got quite sophisticated backup a feature built into it. So for example, you can actually back up either to your local hard drive, to an external hard drive, and you can even back up to our own dedicated web storage area, so it's completely separated from your laptop or PC, just in case maybe your PC or laptop were to be stolen or destroyed in a fire, etc., etc. Then your data, your valuable data, that is, that you've put together over time, is safe, and we can restore you back to where you left off quite easily. Then you've got the reg button. The reg is when you actually purchase the software. This is where you would then register your details. Okay, underneath the toolbar we've got this calendar, which is showing 2 months at a time. You've got the back button, which is over here, which takes you back in time, so December, November 2010, and then you can also go forward in time by clicking on the forward button or the next button, and that can take you to a date in the future. And if you notice now, as I interact with this, so this date is changing in the appointment view, the 1-day appointment view. We've got a 7-day view as well. More of this in a moment. But whichever date I click on here, it then also appears there. So Wednesday, which is W, Wednesday the 15th of June. So it's shown it in full there. And that little colored square, orange square, moves around wherever you click. If I want to quickly go back to today, I click on the today marker, which is here, and it then quickly takes me back to, in this case, the 6th of May, which is today's date, and there it is showing again on the title bar.